Hey, my little friend group, do you want to play Airplane Chef free resources hack iOS and Android? Look at the count, it's awful. Press the button, add free gems. So let's turn it up, and now we're going to see what happens. So as you can see, guys, the resources are low. It's depressing, I know. But guys, the Airplane Chef resources are going to start rising. And you know why? Because I have enabled the modded setting. So let's see what happens to our Airplane Chef account. And then oh, it's working. So I'm gonna show you guys how to download this to iOS and Android. It's super cool. And this is fully working, guys. So if you want to play Airplane Chef and you don't want to be poor, keep watching the video and I'm gonna show you guys how to download this. So first thing we have to do is type tweakmod.com. Next thing we have to do is go on the search bar and just type in Airplane Chef. So here's the game. Go ahead and press install. Now before it downloads, there will be a verification process. This is 100% free. It's from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So we're just going to give it a second to load up. Then we're going to have the Airplane Chef hack on our device. So I'm just going to wait for it to load here, as you can see. So yeah, I don't really do videos anymore, but I had to share this with you guys because it is a real working Airplane Chef hack. I mean, that is so awesome, bro. So let's get down into the method, and we'll see what happens. So as you can see, it says missing files. So basically, I just have to download 2 of these apps and follow the instructions. Yeah, this is super cool, guys. So be sure to try it out. So as you can see, we got like Underdog Fantasy, which says down and run for 30 seconds. So I could go ahead and do that. Or I could do the Travel Town, which says reach level 9. So this one is a game, so that's pretty easy. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, for instance, just play through the game, reach level 9. Going to be good to go, guys. So as long as you download 2 of the apps, you're going to be all set. But yeah, this is super easy, guys. So you guys shouldn't have any problems with this whatsoever. But yeah, this is so cool. And yeah, this is so crazy. I mean, I've tried this stuff before, but I feel like this website is different. Like they offer a real working Airplane Chef hack. So be sure to try it out. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So if you guys are interested in having this on your phone, definitely go ahead and try it out. As you can see, there's tons of apps to choose from. So just make sure you pick 2 of them, download them, and run them. And then you will have the fully working Airplane Chef hack on your phone. It's literally that simple. So be sure to try it out for yourself, guys. It's super easy. As you can see, I got all the money right there. So yeah, this actually works, guys. So definitely go ahead and try it out. Because I know some people are just skeptical of these Airplane Chef hacks, but guys, you have got to try this one. It is legit. So definitely tell your friends about it. And yeah, just make sure you download 2 of the apps. You're going to be good to go. But subscribe to the channel, guys, if you like Airplane Chef, because I found a lot of people don't have an Airplane Chef hack at all. But this is legit, guys, so be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about Airplane Chef, because I will make them. But yeah, this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe and tell your friends about it. This is super cool and it fully works, guys. So yeah, peace out.